Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have this equation. So we need to put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have f of s. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2, and I will put about c. And this one we have 10s squared. Later that we have the conditions in here. That means when s equals to number 1, f of number 1 equal to number 13. So I will put number 1 going here and here to find the value of c. This one we change by number 13. This one we have number 10. So number 10 I will put on the left. And we have number 3. And now I will put number 3 going here. Next, we want to find about this one. So we put this one going here. So the integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. The next one we have 3s, and I will put about the bounds, and that is from number 1 to number 4. So we have the final answer. So I will put number 4 going here. Number 1 going here. And number 1 going here. So we can calculate about this one. And we have 219. This is the end. Thank you for watching.